y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a really quick throw together recipe. I made my own Alfredo sauce for this, and I believe I have a video where I make it. I'll try to remember to link that below. I did pour off some of it because I didn't need that much. I'm going to make a Alfredo red sauce with a little bit of pesto in it for some ravioli. I am taking this from another YouTuber that made it several years back. So it's my own little version. She makes her own Alfredo as well, but I make mine a little bit different. So I poured off at least a third of how I made it. I didn't make the full recipe, I only made a portion. And I'm going to put in my favorite red sauce, which would be ragu. That is our family favorite. We love that. To us, Prego and all the others, not even the same. So I'm just going to whisk this in real quick. And I bought some jarred pesto from Walmart. Never made my own, so I'm not sure. You know, I heard that it's better if you do. And we're just going to mix in just a little bit. You can add as much as you like. I've never had basil pesto. I wanted to try it for a long time, but I'm a little bit afraid. But I was able to get this, and my son, he loves pesto, and he says it tastes good. So I put it a little bit in. I didn't want to jump head on into it. So that's basically the sauce. And like I said, I did my own Alfredo version. Alfredo is, you can look it up online. It's a cream cheese Alfredo. I just did a half and half instead of whole cream. And some butter. I only did like a half a stick of butter, a little bit of half and half garlic powder instead of fresh garlic. You can do either. A half a block, so it's 4 ounces of cream cheese, and a little bit of parm. That's it. So I've already did that, and then I added what she said to do was add about a half to 3/4 of a jar of your favorite spaghetti sauce, and I did that. And I didn't want that much pesto, so I only did like a heaping teaspoon, which is probably about a tablespoon's worth. So that's it, and I will get the ravioli cooked and plate all this up so you can see. I'm gonna warm this sauce up a little bit more as well. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I made the Great Value frozen cheese ravioli. We eat that a lot, and it's really good. I did not add meat to the sauce or anything like that. We're going to just do a meatless dinner tonight, but it's really simple and easy to throw together, and I'll try to make sure that I post that Alfredo recipe below, or one similar, or the video that I made for it. I think I made a video for it, but it didn't cost much at all, especially if you like the pesto ingredient. You could end up using that up, you know, after 2 or 3 more batches of this, because it's a real small bottle. But really easy and cheap, and the pesto only cost like a couple bucks, so it didn't cost that much. But make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.